Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile like this, and now here you will find account. Click on it, and here you will find disable account. Click on it. Now enter your password and click OK, and it will be disabled. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.